Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session. In today's episode, I am reviewing one of the best AI no-code platform. You can build apps in no time. You can set up your application's database in no time. You can have an actual production ready application ready in no time. How? Using Airtable. Airtable, today we are reviewing it. It's one of the best AI no-code platform available. Let's get started. So what is Airtable? Airtable is a hybrid collaboration tool that combines the simplicity of spreadsheets with the power of databases to build apps. I call it the best no-code platform. It's ideal for any platform that you want to build, be it project management, event management, content planner, for content planning, for event scheduling, ticketing, uh, support software, you name it, and you can customize Airtable to fit your requirement. That's the beauty about the no code platforms, that Airtable and other tools, they allow you that even with a non-technical person can build full featured apps. That's the beauty of no code platforms. Let's talk about the features of Airtable. Airtable features customizable tables for organizing data, obviously, but the best part is the views. That means you can have a grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, all of that different views for different users or for the same user depending on their preference. Airtable has a lot of built-in support for automation of workflows for repetitive tasks. The Airtable comes with pre-built templates, and like I said, whatever application, whatever you want to build, you can just pick the pre-built template and get started with it. So you can build a project tracking application, event planning, ticketing, whatever you want to build. It has a good integration with the third-party apps like Slack, Zapier, Google Workspace, Drive, Dropbox, and much more. It enables real-time collaboration within teams. It also has advanced features like scripting and API access for developers. Quickly touch base on pros and cons. It's extremely flexible for various use cases. Like I mentioned, no matter which department you work in, you can customize Airtable's platform for your need. It combines simplicity with advanced functionality. It's good and great for organizing and visualizing data. What are some of the cons? That some features, some advanced features may require little technical know-how, but like I said, even a non-technical person can build apps. But to fully customize, you may need some technical knowledge. Now, for some teams, the paid plans can be little expensive. We'll review that in just a bit. So click on that. The URL is airtable.com. That's what you'll go to explore that platform. Digital operations for the AI era. You can create modern business apps to manage and automate critical processes using AI, all within this platform. It doesn't matter which use case you want to build. No matter which department of the enterprise you are belonging to, you can still go ahead and build an entire full-fledged app on this no-code platform. Here are some of the use cases. You can use it for product operations like digital product development, marketing, portfolio project management, sales and CRM, finance, operations, support, and much more. Now it comes with AI that has real business impact. So it has the Shape AI, that's what they call it, Airtable company. And you can keep building apps. There are a lot of templates that you want to use, all of that inbuilt on this platform. Now you can go ahead to platform to explore more on how each one of this use case and app building can work. You can explore the integrations too that are available. But importantly, let's talk about the pricing. As you know, for Arc Tutorials community, I always bring apps that always consist some free plan or a free trial so that our community can evaluate, can use it for their benefit. Airtable also comes with a free plan, and you can see that in the free plan you can create unlimited bases, which is nothing but databases, 1000 records per database, up to 5 editors, 1 GB of attachments, 1000 automation runs, interface designer, and much more. All of this are included in the free plan. But if you want to get Airtable AI, that's a separate thing. You need to get the pricing for that. That's only for business, I believe, because it's little on the higher sides. Now you have the product central, which is again a solution where uh, the product development team will help you with the investments and kind of guidance and all of that using AI. So you can compare all of the features and you can evaluate which is the plan that's best for you. But I can tell you that the free plan also is equally powerful to get started. Start with the free plan. As your needs grow, keep upgrading to higher plans. All right. So do check out Airtables, which is the best no-code platform. Let me know in the comments section your views, your thoughts. If you have used it, what are your thoughts? How did you find it? I am eager to listen from you. So please do like, share and subscribe the videos. Till then, happy exploring apps. Write to me at surya.aradhya@gmail.com if you have any comment, feedback or any suggestion for me. Thank you so much.